Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I'm going to do a bloom tonight, but I have a little bit of an experiment. So we're going to see if this works. I have some iridescent medium. I have it mixed with Floetrol and about 5 drops of my pre-stain conditioner to make a cell activator. So let's see what happens. I'm going to put down my puddle. This is my Glidden Semi-Gloss House Paint. I thinned it down a little bit with Floetrol and a tiny bit of water. I'm going to use a little bit of crimson. I'm going to use some permanent red. Use some of my Color Shift Green Flash. And I'm going to put a little more crimson down. And then we're going to try this with the iridescent medium. Okay, cross your fingers. See if we can make this work. Ha ha ha! Focus! Check that out! It's so cool! Oh my goodness. Sorry. That is really cool, and I'll bet it's going to dry really cool. So let's give it a minute here so that it can come back up. Get the indentation out of the pillow. I love that green flash in there. It's so cool. I'm going to spread this while I'm waiting. Ooh, a little blue on the bottom of that. Kind of bring this to the edge. It helps with the flow. I hope y'all are trying this. It is so much fun. It just turns out so cool. And if you do it on tiles, the cool thing is you can just literally peel it off the tile after it's dried if you don't like it, and start over again. So I think where we can give it a tilt, I'll go this way first. Bring that petal down. bring it back to the center so that it doesn't go all crazy. Bring it down this way. Man, that is looking really, really neat. Probably going to be left with just some shimmery little cells. It doesn't make as nice shaped cells as the white or the black does, but it's pretty darn cool looking. Getting some green stretching out there, right in the center. Just going to slowly bring it back to center. I think I can bring it down to this corner. I kind of zone out when I'm doing this. It is so relaxing. I get home from work and I'm able to put away all the drama that goes on at work and just watch paint running across this tile. You see my crimson is breaking up a little bit. It's a little different. I haven't seen it do that before. Breaking up as it's stretching out. Might not have put enough paint in that color. As I'm tilting this back, I want to show you guys, look at the center. That green flash is coming up through. Check it out. That's really neat. I'll try and center it a little bit. And I do think I need to use a little bit more paint in my crimson, because that's splitting a little bit. Wow. I'll put my pouring medium down in the description. I've done quite a few of these videos, so if you don't know what I'm using at this point in time, just check out the description and I'll have it all down in there. But tell me what you think, guys. Look at that green flash, the way it's coming up through. It's really super cool. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.